What if I told you that listening to Mozart could make you smarter? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, back in 1993, researchers claimed just that. They called it the Mozart Effect, and it took the world by storm. But what does the science actually say? Let's dive in. In 1993, researchers led by Francis Rauscher made a surprising claim. They found that after listening to Mozart's Sonata for two pianos, K4 and 4/8, for just 10 minutes, participants scored significantly better on spatial reasoning tests by 8 to 9 points. But here's the catch. The boost lasted only about 10 to 15 minutes. The media loved this story, and soon everyone was blasting Mozart, hoping for a quick brain boost. But as more studies followed, the results weren't so consistent. Some couldn't replicate the findings, while others confirmed a small improvement, but only in spatial temporal tasks like solving puzzles. So, does the Mozart effect actually make you smarter? Not quite, maybe a little. Even Rauscher herself clarified that the effect was limited to spatial temporal reasoning, not a general increase in IQ. Researchers think the temporary boost comes from what's called enjoyment arousal. In simple terms, listening to Mozart puts you in a good mood, and that helps with certain tasks. But it's not the music itself working magic on your brain. Here's where it gets interesting. While the Mozart effect's impact on IQ is limited, it has shown promising results in epilepsy treatment. In one study, 23 out of 29 patients with epilepsy showed a significant decrease in abnormal brain activity after listening to Mozart's K4/48. In some severe cases, the reduction in seizures was dramatic, even for patients in a coma. This suggests that Mozart's music might have a unique structure or rhythm that resonates with brain activity. It's not about musical enjoyment, but something deeper happening in the brain. Why does Mozart's music seem to have this effect? Studies analyzing the structure of Mozart's compositions found a high degree of long-term periodicity, basically recurring patterns that might synchronize with brain waves. This pattern isn't found in minimalist music or pop songs, which might explain why they don't show the same effect. But it's not just Mozart. Other classical pieces with similar structures, like works by Bach, have shown some effects too. It seems it's less about the composer and more about the complexity and rhythm of the music. So, does the Mozart effect make you smarter? Not really, but it can give you a brief boost in spatial reasoning and might even have benefits for epilepsy patients. Classical music might not turn you into a genius overnight, but it's definitely good for the brain in ways we're just beginning to understand. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed insights. What's your go-to music when you need to focus? Let me know in the comments below. Stay fabulous.